This is Obsidian 1875. We are going to pull up every single team in the NFL minus one. That is, of course, the LA Chargers. Whoever is on top of this spin after 5 times will pick up the Chargers for this entire break. You can watch me take the Chargers out. Goodbye. 5 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Top team is the Miami Dolphins. They've gone big, and it's kiss them to repay it. It's a big old smooch.
What are you opening? Obsidian.
Obsidian. No, I have not got a reply from the other person. Who's got the Dolphins? Dolphins with Jamie Shelkus. Congratulations. Oh, that's what I meant by kiss, maybe. That's why I said something so ridiculous. Like, that's how you get rid of a Bogart. Oh. Here we go. Obsidian. People telling you to get away from Magda. Here we go. First up, rookie Henry Ruggs III. Time out Blakey. Never time out Blakey. Yeah, we've pulled 3, I want to say. Nice big old patch of KJ Hamler, numbered 23 of 50. Cool card. To 40, 11 of 40. Cutting edge of Aaron Rodgers. Yeah, we got Herbert. We've got someone else. Jeff Okudah, the Rainmaker. Numbered to just 150. To 50. RPA for the Bears, Cole Kmet. Nice card. Alex, that's a hard one. I'm going to try. Larry Fitzgerald, etched green, numbered 7 of 50, and it's, no, boy, Troy Aikman, 54 of 75. And that's the box 1 done. If every intuition fails to find a way, I'm on the table, turn around and back again. God, it smells like super glue in there. I'm going to take the bottom 2 cards off because that makes more sense. Here we go. First up, base of Mark Ingram. That's purple, numbered to 100. Jason Witten, orange, numbered to 75. And a rookie of Anthony McFarlane Jr. My dad. Everyone just adding down. Up next, Volcanic for the Jets of Denzel Mims, and it's just a this guy sort of day. Just a this guy sort of day. Aaron Rodgers Eclipse jersey, they're pretty for the Packers. Oh, thank you, Dad. Keshawn Vaughn, orange etch for the Tampa Bay Buccaneers. That is numbered to 75. And then rookie jersey auto for the Steelers, Chase Claypool. Oh, DDC pushing it. Chase Claypool jersey. That's actually quite nice. For the Steelers. Final box. We'll grab that out real quick. 400 points. It'll go to someone in the break. Noah Igbinogene, rookie. Hey, did Dale get my cards I sent for grading today? Not sure. Dale will have them brought down to him at some point. Hopefully soon. Cutting edge for the Cowboys. Nice. Dak Prescott. To 100, Robbie Anderson, Aurora. Real clean design. I wish they were on card. To 99, LaMichael Perrine. Rookie jersey auto. Number 24 of 99. Oh, they'd go Ferrell. Russell Wilson, silver etch. That is number to 100. Kind of a purplish tinge to it as well. And then a Drew Brees in Chargers gear. Number 37 of 75. That's cool. Yeah. What would have been if they kept Breezy instead of Riversy? Alrighty. List randomizer. I believe this one will have all 32 teams in it. Oh, no. That only has one person's name in it. Excuse me. Here we go. One time, whoever's on top after one spin will pick up the points. Good luck to all. 400 points. One time. Congratulations to Buffalo Bills.